Welcome back, everyone. We're just about a half hour south of Mulahay, and we got in contact with some other travelers on Instagram, and they gave us this location to meet them. So it's kind of a rocky road. We came down here a couple nights ago and hung out with them. So I did some kayaking and spearfishing, and she was going to show us her famous ceviche recipe right here on the beach. Unfortunately, it ended up being a vegan ceviche, but that was still super good. Pretty great camp spot. We've had completely to ourselves this whole time. So I'll show you where we camped. And this is us. I don't know if you recognize these folks. Traveling Together Journal.
Just hanging out, being natural.
We'd met Matt and Amy this spring at Overland Expo, but we were all too busy to visit very much at the show. So we were very excited to hear that they were in Baja at the same time that we were, and invited us to come join them at their camp spot. On the second day, we thought we'd go for a hike with the dogs, and because the tide was low, we were able to walk across a sandbar to a nearby island and explore. It wasn't that many years ago we were working hard on our own rig, and I still remember coming in from the garage, sitting on the couch, and watching their adventure unfold. What a great motivation that was to keep working on our rig. At that time, they were one of the few channels overlanding Central America that we watched regularly. That night, we did up some tacos to share and filled each other in on the rest of the stories that don't always make it onto YouTube.
Yep.
So, this is the campsite we were at, and Matt and Amy were very gracious to go out and try and spearfish us a ceviche. It ended up being...
Unsuccessful.
But what do you call it? Pico de gallo, which is a fancy salsa. And now we're going to climb this rocky road out of here, head into Laredo, and get some El Pastor.
Hopefully.
Hopefully El Pastor. Boo!
It's our consolation prize.
Nice.
Here you go, Matt. They've got a Mexican combination. It's got cheese, chili rellenos, enchilada, flauta, and a chimichanga with rice and beans. We could just get a little of everything, sure.
Que rico.
Like shrimp in my chili relleno, but I could forgo shrimp. Oh wow, it's a chicken.
Salud.
Salud.
Well, our taco plans didn't really work out,
No.
but we got a pretty sweet restaurant anyway. If anyone doesn't know Matt and Amy from the Traveling Together Journal, they grandfathered this whole YouTube traveling thing. Check out their channel. I would say you did.
Okay, we'll go with it.
Name a different YouTube channel that did South America, Central America rather.
Colby Life.
Before that, nobody. So they were the grandmother, maybe. Anyway, thanks for sharing all the wonderful information and travel tips and spending some time with us.
It's been fun.
Yeah.
Been super good.
And I wish you both so much joy and safe journey on your own adventure. Hasta luego! All right, bring it in.
Nice hanging out with you guys.
Really good.
Just in.
Real good spending time with you guys.
Likewise.
Yeah, it
It
was
was-
fun. And hopefully we see you again. And if not, we'll be watching and enjoying your adventure from our couch.